Father, can you tell us about this historic place?
Yes. So this is a very holy place for us and historical too, because we had the first monastery of the Carmelites here. It began in 1619 and there were Carmelites from various countries, but also famous Carmelites lived here. The most famous among those who lived here are Dionysius and Redemptus. Dionysius was French and Redemptus was Portuguese. They were novices here, and then later they went to Indonesia and they were martyred in Sumatra. So they have become the first martyrs of the Discalced Carmelite order. The prior who received them was Father Philip of the Trinity. He also was a well-known theologian. He was the prior of this monastery, the superior of this monastery. He was the one who welcomed these two candidates to the Carmelite way of life, and later on he went to become the superior general of the order. So it's a very dear place for us. And after the Carmelites were expelled from Goa, this site was all in ruins. Once the Carmelites returned back to Goa in 1938, we started taking interest. We used to visit this place quite often, but especially to celebrate Mass on the feast day of these proto-martyrs, Dionysius and Redemptus. And then we started the process of reacquiring this place, at least the place of the ruins. And our efforts bore fruit. In 2005, this site, which measures around 925 square meters, was entrusted back to us. It was under the ASI because of the ruins, but now it is entrusted back to the Carmelites. We are in the process of conserving. As you see, only a little part of the facade is remaining. That also is in a very precarious situation, so we have to conserve it. And then we are also trying to acquire a little bit of surrounding area, mainly to preserve the historical significance of this place. So we ask you to pray that our efforts may bear fruit, and one day we can re-establish our presence here, because it's very significant, not only for the lives that our Carmelites lived here, but also for the missionary spirit. From here, many went out to the missions.
This is a heritage site now. It's not only in Old Goa, but even in Chimbal you all have. How difficult it has been for you all, how it has been for you all in the past so many years to preserve it, get back to your those Carmelites.
Yes, I mean, it was a long drawn process, no? And then we were thinking also of a case. But then since this area at least has been entrusted back to us, we are trying to do our best. We have not received any government funds for preservation, so whatever is possible from our side we are doing. And the case of Chimbal is going on. We have already petitioned the government to restore back the property to us. The petition was handed over to the Chief Minister. We hope that he will look into it and do something about it.
Now, since only the facade is remaining, any more process to get restoration back or some part of this church or what it is?
Yes, because now it is occupied, the surrounding area is occupied by a private individual, so we are negotiating with him if he can give us at least a portion surrounding these ruins. So the process is on, but so far we have not been successful.
क्लेन हे रुइन्साचे तुमकां कशें कळलें आनी कितें म्हणून फुडें तुमी कशें हे ऑर्गनायज केलें?
रुइन्स म्हाका लास्ट इयर सान म्हज्या फादरीन कॉन्टेक्ट केल्लो क्लिनिंगाक लागून, तेन्ना सान म्हाका कळ्ळें. एक्चुअली हांव जाणा आसलें रुइन्स आसा म्हणून, पूण आमी केन्ना पावना आसलें, कित्याक हेजे मीस जाता तें वन्स इन इयर जाता ऑन 29. सो तेन्ना कितें नोवेनाज आसताली, सो क्लॅश जाताली, सो आमी पावना आसले. सो आतां लास्ट 2 years जाले हांव हिंगा येता, आनी हांव एपील करता सगळे आमचे जे गोंयचे यंगस्टर्स आहा आनी जर कोण पावना, हे प्लेसीर येवचे आनी हे पळोवचे. हे इतले ब्युटिफूल रुइन्स आहा आनी हे प्रिजर्व करूंक सगळ्यांनी एकठांय येवचे आनी फुडले जनरेशनाक आमी जे आतां आमचे फाटले पिळगेन आमकां प्रिजर्व करून दवरला, तशें आमी फुडल्या जनरेशनाक हे प्रिजर्व करून दवरचें म्हणून हांव सगळ्यांक मागता.
ओके
कित्याक ओली हेरिटेज सायटी आतां कमी आसा थोड्यो लेस जायत आहा आनी सगळ्या हेरिटेज सायटी एनकरेजमेंट जाता जिंगा कोण प्रिजर्वेशन जायना तेंका एनकरेजमेंट जाता
होय.
सो आमी अलर्ट रावंक जाय आनी आमच्यो ज्यो हेरिटेज सायट्स आहा सगळ्यो प्रिजर्व करपाक जाय